Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make zero oil chicken curry. Start by toasting 2 tablespoon ground spices in a dry pan until fragrant, then add sliced onions with a splash of water and cook until soft. Stir in garlic, ginger, diced tomatoes, and 1 cup low-fat yogurt. Add chicken, cover, and simmer until cooked through and the sauce thickens, finishing with cilantro and a lemon squeeze. Keep ingredient choices simple and bold for maximum flavor without oil. Use skinless chicken and bright spices like turmeric, cumin, coriander, and garam masala. Toast the spices dry to unlock aroma, then build the sauce with onions, garlic, ginger, tomatoes, and 1 cup of yogurt for creaminess. Simmer gently so the yogurt does not split, and finish with lemon and cilantro for lift and balance. Technique matters when you cook without oil. Always bloom spices dry until aromatic, then deglaze with small splashes of water or stock to capture flavor. Cook onions slowly with moisture so they soften and caramelize without fat. Keep the heat moderate, simmer the chicken covered to retain juices, and adjust seasoning at the end with salt, lemon, and fresh cilantro for brightness and balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.